Record. Game. Game na.
Yes.
Okay. Hi, mabuhay. Welcome back to the Adventures of Miss Chuchubells. And as always, I'm Victoria. And we have my sister. She's playing with her iPad.
Good morning.
So, good morning. Yes. It's 12:35 here in Singapore and
It's 9:35 a.m. in LA, Saturday, September 19.
and it's Sunday. Yeah. Okay. It's going to be a different video because this time around, it's my sister who's going to do her unboxing. She shopped at Sephora. She ordered online. So take it away, my dear sister, Maria Cristina.
And a little background kasi nga, kinukulit niya ako about my skin routine.
Skincare routine.
Skincare routine. Most especially yung sa, at least wearing sunblock. So, I heard about yung SUPERGOOP Unseen Sunscreen.
Yes.
But yun nga, medyo mahal siya. But luckily, available siya dun sa Sephora, like, ano ba yun? Sephora Favorites. So, I guess mga trial sizes siya, diba? And it's like $10. So, are you ready? So, ito yung Sephora Favorites, Holy Grail, great.
Oh, okay.
Okay, so $10, but currently it's out of stock. So, ito yung box.
Sephora.
Yay.
Yes.
Packing slip, then I guess fillers, right? I got my 2 samples.
What's that? Pink Tom Ford metallic.
No.
Oh, okay.
Yeah.
Perfume?
Yes. Givenchy.
Givenchy.
Yeah. Diba? Okay. So, I guess this one is for.
Sephora Favorites. You know, they don't have that in Singapore.
Really? Yeah, I guess.
Holy Grail grades.
Yeah.
Yeah,
Okay.
why they don't have that in Singapore?
Hindi, wala nga. As in,
Wala.
walang mga ganun.
Wala. No, none.
Baka kasi madaling mauto yung mga tao sa Singapore. Right? Or mas mapera sila. They don't mind just buying the whole thing.
Until now nga, wala pa rin yung kay Patrick Star, tsaka sino yun? Selena Gomez.
And then, kay Selena naman, bagong-bago lang yun, diba?
Pero interested ako nung kay Selena Gomez. I want to buy it.
Alin, chick,
Yung foundation, kasi diba, is natural beauty. Yun yung sabi nila.
So, ito muna. It comes with a, I guess the good thing is, it comes with a $15 off coupon for a full size. If you decide that gusto mo yung full size, it comes with a 15% pala. 15% off coupon.
For any item dyan sa loob ng packet.
Yes. Okay, so ano ba? Basta random din na lang Okay, ito na lang muna. Okay. So, ayun. It's another perfume, Valentino.
Donna.
Ano?
Donna.
Ay,
What?
mabango siya, parang sweet.
Sweet. Oh, I like sweet perfume.
Floral and sweet.
Oh, okay.
Yeah. I guess a floriental, woody fragrance. Okay, and then next one. Okay, ito yung, yan.
What's this? Hindi ko siya makita.
Yung Moroccan oil.
Oh, okay. Maganda yan.
Moroccan oil treatment. Yun nga, I guess mahirap basahin kasi maliit. For fine or light colored hair.
Oh, so hindi siya sa face, for hair.
No, for hair. Yes.
Akala ko for the face. Okay, good luck.
Ito naman yung,
So,
ayan.
everything just sa pouch na yan is all $10.
Yeah.
Okay.
And pharmacy,
wala.
daily greens.
Yeah, I heard so much about pharmacy. Maganda daw
Pharmacy.
siya. Yung skincare routine ng sister ko, hindi siya consistent. Pag tinatamad siya, hindi siya naghihilamos.
Daily greens, oil-free gel moisturizer. Ito yata yung, ayun, I think it's with papaya.
Yeah,
Diba?
papaya maganda siya. So, exfoliant and then brightening. Daily greens. Yan. Like that.
Okay, and then, ano ba to? Oh, mascara.
I have the same one.
Ano ba to?
Yung Tarte lashes. Yeah, I have the same one. Hindi ka naman nagmamaskara, di ba?
Dati pag Christmas party, wala nang Christmas party. Most likely, right?
Ano siya? Vitamin
Glow. Smash Box. I think
Primer?
parang ano ba? Yes, primer with vitamins B, C, and E.
Oh, so para din rin siyang skincare.
I guess yun natin yung kulay. I guess. Primer ba talaga clear? I guess, no?
Oh, clear. Anong feeling? How does it feel? Tacky?
Hindi, parang ano naman siya. Hindi naman malagkit.
Diba
kailangan
malagkit siya eh.
Ganun ba yun?
Oo, parang mag-adhere yung foundation, diba?
At least parang moisturizing naman siya compared dito sa kabila.
Okay.
Okay, and the last one na yung reason talaga kung bakit ko siya binili is yung
Have you
iba
tried
dito pa
it?
nagamit eh.
Ay,
Nga mag-aalo pa tayo eh.
Sorry.
SUPERGOOP. Ano yan? Unseen Sunscreen.
So, it means wala siyang white cast.
Okay, ano ba yung difference between dun sa, ano ba yun? Yung mineral sunscreen?
Sunscreen tsaka physical sunscreen. Sige, I'll make a video out of it.
Hindi mo, okay, it says for SPF 40, tapos, sweat and water resistant for, ano yun? At least, nakaseal siya. Hindi, kung, ayan naman diba? Kung hindi naman ako lalabas, diba? So, could I just do it?
Pinanood mo na naman ba yung video ko? Hindi, actually, ako rin naman, hindi ako nagre-reapply ng sunscreen. Hello, you have to put more than that.
Hindi, but pinapakita ko lang, diba? Kukuha ba ako ng measuring spoon? Next time. Ayan.
Yes.
And then, ano pa? Ganyan. Sa akin, feeling ko pinaka-important yung sa cheeks.
Dahil doon ka na-burn.
Yup, I think.
Pati yung eyes.
I know.
Buti na wala kang kilay. Ayun na, wala siya talagang white cast.
And doon naman sa, pero yun nga the thing itself is clear, diba?
Don't forget the back of your neck, the back of your ear. Hello? Pag lumalabas ka ba, hindi ka ba nagtataas ng buhok?
Hindi, kaso lang, hindi naman ako lalabas eh. At hindi na nga kunyari. No. Yun nga na, ano siya, madali siyang nag-dry.
At saka parang siya, may blurring properties. Parang nag-blur yung, yung parang kuminis yung face mo, tangik.
Weh. Yung ba ang promise niya?
Hindi ko alam. Ano ba yung kalagay dyan?
Tignan natin na. Wait lang. Pero ikaw, have you heard of this product?
Yes, but I find it expensive. Kasi nakakabila ko ng Japanese sunscreen for like $20. Although hindi siya, may white cast siya, but still.
Wait, really as in my white cast pag lagay or all throughout the day?
Hindi, paglagay lang naman eh.
It is a totally invisible, weightless, scentless, and makeup-gripping daily primer with SPF 40.
Oh, okay. No wonder may blurring properties.
Oh my God, so dapat ba? Oh, wait! Sabihin dapat half a teaspoon? Hindi naman.
Yes, still.
No, so,
kasi siya na yung SPF mo, di ba? If you're going to use it as your SPF, so dapat half a teaspoon. But if you're just going to use it as a primer, edi konti. But before that, mag-SPF ka pa rin.
Okay, how to use. Apply generously and evenly as the last step in your skincare routine before makeup and 15 minutes before sun exposure.
Okay, so it's considered as SPF.
Reapply at least every 2 hours or after 45 minutes of swimming or sweating.
Oh, okay. So which is true, di ba? After swimming naman talaga nag-reapply tayo ng sunscreen eh. Right?
Okay.
Doon masipag tayo.
Pero hindi naman sinabi dito na, so parang yung usage nga niya is like a typical sunscreen, di ba?
So you still need half a teaspoon.
Way, I guess. Pero,
Generously.
I guess yun nga depende sa'yo kung anong generous.
Kung ang gagamitin mo, di ba? So, siguro, you can use konti lang if before that, meron kang sunscreen talaga.
Okay,
But since mahal siya, use it sparingly. So, how does it feel?
Yun nga, parang light, yun nga parang, it has the, really parang effect talaga ng primer. Parang,
so talaga nagbo-blur nga talaga siya.
I guess, supposedly.
Pero maganda siya, no? It's nice. May change in your, syempre yung texture mo makikita pa rin.
Ipapakita mo ba before and after?
Oo nga, no? Sige, I'll try.
Paglagay ko, I like it, pero we'll see.
Good luck talaga.
Kasi right now I'm using, CeraVe, diba?
Compared to CeraVe.
Which is a drugstore brand, diba? Okay, you know what? Siguro ito yung the test would be yung kung mamaya pag pinagpawisan ako, kung masasakit yung mata ko.
Kasi yung CeraVe, ganun yung effect sa'yo, no?
I'll check in with you guys mamaya. Mag-check-in tayo like towards the end of my day. Nagkaroon ako ng problema. Right? So,
okay, so we'll see you
I'm
in a bit.
out.
To check in. And we are back after 12 hours. Nakaligo na ako, bagong gising. And my sister, Chiki.
yes. It's almost 10 o'clock, I guess 9:55 p.m. dito in LA, Saturday. Jan?
Magwa-1 ng
Sunday.
Hapon. Sunday. Yes.
Sunday. Okay.
So, what's your thoughts for your wear test for the SUPERGOOP Unseen Sunscreen, di ba?
Yeah. So, yun nga. So, ano ba, okay? So,
yes.
Yung naghiwalay, ano bang ginawa ko? So, nung naghiwalay tayo, like 12 hours ago, we took Matthew driving around, practicing driving. Tapos we ran errands. Tapos we went back home. Hubby went flying his RC, yung remote control planes. So yun, outdoors. And then we just got home. So after 12 hours, yun naman, like, and of course, without reapplying, even though supposedly you have to. I guess, even though dapat you have to, right?
Don't worry, I'm like that too. I don't reapply my sunscreen, people. Okay.
So I didn't reapply just because dun sa CeraVe naman, I don't reapply. So, yun naman, my main concern was, di ba, yung sa mata nga na parang yung, yung mahapde. So, I guess ito naman, no, it's fine, hindi siya mahapde. Even though pinagpawisan ako or super oily ang lola mo. So, yeah, I think I really like it.
Tsaka hindi ka nag-oily or nag-blot ka?
Hindi naman ako nag-blot, pero oily but not. Well, I guess, paano ba? Dapat, I guess, bukas magsa-CeraVe ba ako? Tapos tingnan natin. After 12 hours.
Kasi ako usually nag-oily na ako afterwards eh. Diba? There were oily skin people.
Well, I guess siguro nga, maybe the thing is, siguro nga kaya hindi siya sumakit sa mata or pumasok sa mata is because baka hindi nga masyado siya nag-oily.
Dahil hindi ka pinagpawisan?
Makes sense?
Pinagpawisan ka ba? Did you perspire?
I think so. Or oily din naman ako kanina. Diba?
Pero you didn't blot, you didn't do anything. Kasi maganda pa rin siya, ha? So you'll be using it consistently na. Do you think
for now.
Do you think yung wear test mo for today would make you decide to buy the full size for that price versus the CeraVe one? Will you buy the full size?
Okay. So, $20 din pala yung CeraVe, but it is 3.3 ounce.
Oh, yung full size niyan.
Ayun yun.
Yeah, so it's way bigger than yung SUPERGOOP, diba?
But magkano ba yung
nga daw yung SUPERGOOP eh.
Magkano ba
Well, kung $10 lang naman yung difference, then you go for SUPERGOOP since hindi sumakit yung mata mo, diba?
Let's see. Oh no, yun nga. Ano nga siya? So, half the size siya ng CeraVe.
Okay. And don't worry, hanap pa tayo ng ibang sunscreen. Pero maganda nga yung SUPERGOOP, tsaka maganda yung pharmacy. Maybe you should try nga yung mga Japanese sunscreen or Korean sunscreen. Innisfree and the Face Shop na sunscreen, I like. Although kasi dito, expensive siya versus yung nabibili kong Japanese sunscreen sa drugstore.
So I guess, yun talaga kinariri. Pero I guess I'll cross the bridge when I get there. So,
Yeah.
meaning
So, next week, then update mo na ng, let's do an update. That you compare CeraVe and Supergoop.
Mag-touch base ulit tayo next Saturday.
Yes. On the products that you use. Diba? And then you have to do a comparison. So if you like to see that video, give this video a big thumbs up. My sister is sleepy, and leave your comments at the section below if you want to see more of my sister. And don't forget to subscribe to our channel, and don't forget to hit that notification bell so you'll be notified whenever we upload videos like this. So join us in my sister's skincare adventures.
Skincare.
Till our next adventure, please remember to be courageous, kind, and a blessing to everyone you meet. Bye!
Bye.